Day one of improving your extension using the step barrel. I love using the step barrel to help improve and strengthen the hips and the thoracic spine mobility. So we're going to look first of all at the prone hip extension. I like doing it on here because we actually have the hip and slide flexion, and then it's easier to lift the leg up behind us. We also get more feedback from the barrel. So in terms of your position on the barrel, you don't want to be too low down and you don't want to be right up on the apex over here. You want to make sure that your belly is supported by your barrel and your arms can just rest. You can rest your upper body. Tuck your toes under, heels in line with your sitting bones. Now, you're going to have that sense of lifting the tummy and just tilting the pelvis so your pubic bone pushes forward into the barrel. And then you're going to use your glute and your hamstring to lift the leg. You're going to alternate from side to side. Now, the great thing about the barrel is if you're twisting your pelvis to come up, remember, we're not going for a big movement here, it's small. But if you're twisting your pelvis, you will feel your pelvis moving away from the barrel. Your pubic bone will no longer be in contact. So it's enough just to get a pure hip flexion, but coming from that slight flexion, hip extension, coming from that slight flexion position, we just have a bit more range than when we're doing it on the ground. Because quite often it's really hard to feel whether we're doing that accurately on the ground.